He follows her around. He lets her sleep where she sleeps, wants to. And then he follows her in the morning. He gets up and goes over to her and says hello. And then wants to just greet her. And then he's like, you want to play? But she doesn't quite know how to do this stuff yet. He's very gentle with her. It's really cute. Oh, and he just said, hi, I love you. And that was an attempt to preen her. Preen him. And Phoenix didn't like it. Hi, you guys. Good morning. Oh, he can stand up for himself. Leave me alone. I want to eat. Give me some space.